Oh my god, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. Our friends from Maxpeedingrods have sent me an early Christmas present. Sent me one of their new turbos. And right off the bat, I gotta say, the packaging has gotten a lot better. The details of the turbo, you know, just the simple little rubber caps that come onto it. You could just see the increase, the increment increase of how well the packaging has gotten and how they are taking it super serious on the marketing side. All right, basically it comes with simple brochure of all their products, and man, I tell you, these brochures have gotten really professional. Somebody's taken a note to all the YouTubers and the people reviewing the products and really getting down and dirty on this. It's impressive, actually. Basic shims, you know, and for your oil feed. And you can remember, this is just a single turbo. There's no kit to this as of right now. This is something that, you know, DIY. You gotta know what you're doing when you put together one of these things. But I wanted to show you details. Let me specific part number on this. See, there we go. GT45, I guess clone or whatever it is, but that's the part number. Claims to be making 600 horsepower, but you know, that's food for thought for any turbo engine. Let's just go over some of the dimensions. And that's going to taper down to the middle here, but you guys can see that. Standard housing, exhaust housing. Hope that comes in. And then you got your exhaust housing. What is that? Over 4 inches wide. And this is going to be going on the budget LT1. We're going to be doing a rear mount for this motor on the 4th Gen F body. If no one's familiar with them, they're a 93 to 97 Camaros for the LT1s and 98 to 2002 LS based motors. All right, let's get you in closer, show you the nice details, and you know, even this is not a fully rollerized race turbo. This is pretty damn good for the price. And of course, I'll put the link in the description down below where you can get this from, your coupon code, and all the, you know, the best deal that you could possibly get. But just from spinning that turbo just a little bit, I mean, it is just silky smooth, absolutely silky smooth. Let me see, let me spin it here. And again, this is a non-ball bearing turbo, but still, for the price, for the money, it's just the quality, it's just amazing. How much better over the years these turbos have gotten. Just the workmanship, just everything that you can see, the castings, it's just the attention to details. Well, let's just get you in closer and then I'll show you all the little details, okay? Hoping all this is coming through, but simple things like this. Yep, I almost dropped it. Each one of these bolts looks like somebody has hand tightened it, torqued it, and also marked it as far as that it's been tightened. These are some of the details that I'm seeing coming across Maxpeedingrods. The quality of the casting of the blades. There's no funky smell to it like we got in the past. There's no weird chip marks on the impeller blades. It just looks fantastic. I mean, the casting, you know, I understand the most important part of the turbo is going to be the shaft and everything in the bearing, but if they're taking the time out to make the castings better and the machining surface is better, odds are that the internals and who's assembling this thing is going to be better, you know, because they're putting all this money and time into this. You know, they don't want to have these things just blow up on the track or blow up on the regular uses, but even the simple ionized turbo inlet housing, the quality of the fasteners that they're using now, much better. Obviously they're making their own castings now, which is even better. So once again, Maxpeedingrods, thank you very much. We'll be putting good use to this. Don't forget, the link will be in the description below. Look up their new GT GT45-JD-V2 Turbo. I think you're really gonna like all the details of this, of their newer setup on here. Talk to you later.